We're gonna do some paint correction. There was a hit in the lower front bumper of the Toyota. This is the paint we're gonna use. You can see that's the part number. Then after that, we're gonna wait 24 hours. Then we're gonna clear coat it. Right now we are trying to remove anything that's pretty much loose on the paint. We're using 1200 grit sandpaper. You don't want to go that rough. You want to go just something simple. I put water in a microfiber towel, just a little bit. Try to get anything that's off, that came off the paint.
You hit all 3 of it already?
Yeah. Okay, see how you guys can see the camera? It's like a little bit dusty in there. You gotta try to remove everything off. We're gonna use alcohol, clean the surface, remove any type of grease or oils. You know, before you paint it. If you don't have alcohol, I know times are challenging to find alcohol. Try to find anything in your household or in the store you can take off the grease with, or the oils.
I'm recording.
Yeah, that was a bad idea.
Yeah.
It's thick. Thing has alcohol. Pretty much what we're doing here, we're masking the areas that need fixing. Like, see, don't need this damage area we're gonna fix. You don't want to hit the paint, that's okay. Then after we're gonna do a primer coat, just one coat should be enough. After that, we're gonna do a touch-up paint. Just cover it. Hopefully, it should cover this up. Then after the touch-up paint, we're gonna do a 24-hour wait for the clear coat. This is the second coat. Take your time on it. Like you see, we tried to do it with the touch-up paint and did not work. It's better you do it with a spray can of the same color or the color number of this car. It looks better than how it was before. That does look better, but still, if you try to make it like perfect, well, you gotta blend it in with the color. Better do it with the spray can. I'll take it to a professional shop. Let me see if we can fix it later on, maybe a month from now. Have any questions or even have any suggestions we could have done this better, please let us know in the comment section. If you really like this channel, subscribe. If you like the video, give it a like, and thank you for watching.
That looks better than before. Let's just put one more layer of paint.
As you guys can see, these are the finished results on the bumper. It looks really bad, but let me fix it on camera. Okay, you ready? There you go, it looks way better now, does it? Have any questions, please let us know in the comment section. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you like the video, please like it. And thank you for watching.